Hey guys, this is Kendall with Wolf Industries. Just wanted to give some thoughts on our project here at Image District Cottages, how it all tied together. We did a few things differently this time. One of them are these concrete patios that I'm standing on here. We're glad that we put these in. Ties everything in nicely, makes the project flow good, and also lower maintenance. We're a little concerned on the last project about aesthetics, but I think it looks great how it all blended together. You see that we did decide to do some wood decks for the models in the middle of the project. That helps break it up a little bit. We didn't feel like it was necessary to have concrete all the way up against the house there, and then also trying to landscape down around the perimeter of the building when it's on the side would have been challenging. So we're happy with the results for sure.